Angemukele bathanzi behlelo Buhle Betfu. This is the best show that everybody loves because it talks about adventure, it talks about traveling. We bring it out to you, and my name is Nelly Swamakanya, exclusive to Eswatini TV. I'm so excited. Today we are here at Ezulwini. The place is Sibanesami Hotel. We want to explore and find out what do they have to offer to the members of the public. It's a place, but I'm sure that it has improved in a great way. Let's see what they have for us. Let's go. Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Can you please introduce yourself? Position like her.
My name is Tania Kumalo Simelani. I'm the marketing officer of the company, Sibanesami Hotel.
Sibanesami Hotel. Nice. I'm interested to know what kind of a place do you have at Sibanesami Hotel? How is it different from other places that we have at Swatini?
Okay, I think let me start with the different parts. I think the one thing that sets us up, the one different thing that sets us apart from the other hotels, it's our traditional huts, the crawl, just down there on your way to the Boma, Senayo. Siyakhona kumikisa ema-customer we are from different countries, just to tell them about the Swazi culture and be able to just show them the endlini gogo and the crawl. The crawl is actually also used for wood dagger.
Okay.
People can come, our Swazi people can come to
Batotega.
Somfati
ngamthatha Sibanesami. Nice.
Yes, ngamthatha umfati, okay. Uthatha umfati khona lapha.
Wow. All right. That's exciting. So when it comes to accommodation yalakha ingabe vele ikanjani ukuthi yehlukene kanjani, and what sorts of groups lenkhona accommodate in your space?
Okay, accommodation here we are able to cater for different types of groups. Say now it's single rooms, say now nema double rooms, say now nema twin rooms whereby we have two in the room with 2 single beds. Say now my honeymoon suites if ever je lakaya utoshata, because we also have things our dekshate lakaya. So I will need a honeymoon suite here for free. And then also now my executive rooms for executives, even the presidents.
Nice. All right. So as well, cars, I feel like there's literally every kind of a room lakaya. So ingabe lakhazi hlukana kanjani ke lama amenities latfolakala lakhazi in the different rooms ngalo kwehlukana kwawo ngivele enye basi honeymoon room lakha kuphelele konke, most especially Texas abafati.
Yeah. Go ukuphola in one place then.
Okay.
Lakha emaroomini nephu sinawo boma shower caps, boma hair dryer, we do have boma soaps, hair conditioners, like a coffee station, the TVs, free Wi-Fi. Those are the amenities that we have in the different rooms. The nice thing is that even the executive have got the same amenities. The only difference is that you find that good team, Buhle executive, there's 2 bathrooms and a jacuzzi in the executives. So that's the one thing that sets them apart from the other rooms.
Okay. That's exciting. So now when it comes to Inzabaye restaurant, ingabe ngabekisa, let's say I'm booked lakhaya, ingabe how does it cater for me, borum service, noma kuhamba kanjani, the whole kitchen experience. Now noma ke asesisangala lakha, let's just say I'm a walk-in customer. How does the restaurant yalakhaya work?
Okay. In restaurant here, we have different types of menu. We do have a pull menu. We do have an a la carte menu whereby our kings can choose from that menu to buy. We do have a banqueting pack menu, which in maybe nangabe on a function lenkulu. You are able to choose from that menu. More especially imishado, end of year functions that we normally host like higher. So expanding that banqueting pack menu live very affordable. So people are able to choose from that. And then also we also cater for EMA groups, like say maybe you have a party and the a la carte menu over the options mancane. So we're able to cater for lama groups from the groups menu lesnayo at the reception. And then also Sibenayo end of year and prom packages of menus that we have nakona at the restaurant. And at the restaurant you're able to call and order your food kona sikhone kukwendela, and then you pick up the food on time.
All right, that's good. So ingabe akhona yini activities le bantu can get up to when they come to Sibane Sami? Already you mentioned something about the crawl and just something to do with the Swazi culture. Nenza bekuthatha umfati so longile lapho. All right, so what other activities le bantu can get up to when they come to Sibane Sami? And also maybe let's talk about the events. Ngeva so le abalu yabeyisa ngimishado nemapha. Let's talk about activities and also the events. What kind of events len khona lekwa hosted before, and also the activities people can get up to?
And calling business events, we do have conferences. We've got 7 conferencing rooms. Yes, 7. The largest one takes about 250 people, cinema style, and 180 people when they are seated on their tables. We also do have a chapel where people can come and do their vows. You can also have hosted chats. They do also have a boma down there for end of years, or if you have like an event whereby maybe you want to have a braai.
Nice.
The boma is an ideal place for that kind of event.
All right.
And then also we have a bird watching area there by the boma. You are able to just so it's also one of the most romantic places that we have here in the hotel, the bird watching area.
Mbukelo Buhle bethu ngihleli lapha nje ngiyacabanga ngisabuka nasiyasibaya lapha emuva ngivile ukuthi la khaya na ufuna kuthatha umfati vumelekile kusungeta utowuteka lapha ngisadle mathambe engqondo ke njengomhlomtsana. Let's take a short break, because when you come back we still have more for you right here at Sibane Sami Hotel ezulwini.
Sanibonani, ligama lami ngingidumisile ngwakadlamini Sibongo, head chef Sibane Sami Hotel. Sibane Sami Hotel sinetinanzi tetfu lesitendako. Ngilawucela kunetfulela kudla lesikwendile kwanamuhla. Embi kwami kune vegetarian pasta. I-vegetarian pasta yetfu kusho ukuthi sikhetharishele bantu laba kakhulu abama-vegetarian. So sibakhetherishela kunabo vegetarian pasta lesibenda kunalokunye kudla apart from a vegetarian pasta lesikwenda, but for today sikhethe ukuthi sinendele i-vegetarian pasta. Then lokulandzelako sine healthy food yetfu lokuyi-Greek salad. Kusho ukuthi i-Greek salad yetfu ungayenda as a starter, ungayenda if ungakhani ukudla ku-heavy meals uyayidla i-Greek salad yetfu. Lokulandzelako sine hake and chips with vegetables. I-hake and chips yethu ikanjena nakhona kunebantu labakhanga ukuthi abadli bo red meat, abadli in but bayakhona kuyidla imfish. Losho ukuthi eSibane Sami siyakhona ukukhetharisha lonke lihlobo lwebantu, lihlobo lokudla abantu ukuthi bakhone kudla. And then silandzele ngema ribs ethu. This is 300 grams ema ribs ethu, hamba nema veg nema chips. ngikona lokunye tinanzi nenzi tetfu lesitendako esibane sami hotel. Ngalapha ekugcineni sinayo ke i-signature dish yethu lethula abantu from Hlangano, from Pigs Peak, everywhere betala esibane sami betela i-signature dish yetfu ipizza. Namuhla sinendele iSwaziman pizza yetfu. This is Sibane Sami Swaziman pizza. Bese kulokunye Sibane Sami hotel siyakhona ukukhetharishela lonke lihlobo lebantu. Siyawenda ema-party siyakhona ukukhetharishela ute ne-party yakho. Sikhetharishele ukuthole kudla kwakho. Ama-prizes akhona ahlukene. Siyakhona ukukhetharishela imishado. Nakhona kunema-menu ethu lo ikhetha ukuthi ukhetha menu bani sikwendela lapho dawuhambe ekhaya usuthu sema netivakashi nebantu bakho lobamemile bahamba bajabulile ngokudla kwethu esibane sami hotel. Siyakhona kukwendela nangabe kuyi-graduation, maybe so ufuna kwenda i-party yakho, ema-graduation parties siyawenda la esibane sami hotel. Ne-traditional siyayenda esibane sami hotel. Nekudla lokhu traditional sinako esibane sami hotel. Sinawe i-boiled beef, i-under traditional, sinayo imbuti yethu ika-traditional, sinayo inkukhu yasekhaya, angisho inkukhu yamacanza, ngisho inkukhu yasekhaya lo igijimisako ebaleni. Siyayisebenzisa esibane sami, nayo ngiyo lehamba ledlalphuma esibane sami. Iyakhona kuletha ama-customer bayasuka lena batofuna nje inkukhu yethu yasekhaya. Bese esibane sami hotel siyawenda ema-cocktail party, lama-finger foods. Siyakwendela esibane sami, usho ukuthi ukhetha na imenu ngenayo ema-finger foods. Ma-finger foods ke ngilesikhathi nidla nimile angisho kanjalo. Eplating lencane niphakele nidle nimile, just finger food njengoba ulive leligama ama-finger foods vele nje na ufuna khanzi kwalo ukuthi awufuni info lengazi ukuthi iyasinza, ufuna info lelayithanyana, uyawakhetha ema-finger foods ethu. Hlale phasi nidle nijabule niphume esibane sami hotel nijabulile.
My name is Kolandulane, the barman, cocktail master of Sibane Sami Hotel. Here we start, we'll make cocktails, our finest cocktails. We'll start with Love Misa Blue, one of the best cocktails for Sibane Sami Hotel.
Buhle Betfu, I never thought that Sibane Sami, my light, your light, could be this beautiful when it comes to the views that are out here. Let's take a short break because we still have more for you from this place. What are people saying? The reviews. What are people about this? People saying about the place as they are coming here and with all the things that you keep on adding and improving in the place?
People are really, really happy with the improvements that we've done lately. more especially the pool, because we have implemented a kids corner there, and most of the time we find that we have Emma Kiddies games and Kiddies events, and people really love those events, and they do come support us. So the reviews have been so beautiful, and we like the fact that people are able to come back and tell us that they had a wonderful experience. They love the service. Our staff are very good at servicing all our customers. We hardly have complaints about bad service or what. So I'm really proud of our team on that part.
All right, so you said something about bringing a lot of improvements to the place. So what can you say from the top of your head? What are those improvements that you've brought to the place that the public is so mesmerized about?
Okay, we recently implemented a kiosk. A kiosk is by the entrance. We sell traditional wear, we sell sweets, chips and snacks. We just wanted the kiosk to be a convenient shop for our clients when they're sleeping here balelela khaya bakhona ukuthi baye kiosk bayothenga lokho lokuncane nabeva ngazuthi abakhona ukukuthola la khathi ehotela noma ke titolo sekukhashane, because phela ihotela lefu ukhumbule ukuthi titolo tifudane, but the kiosk will be within the premises ama customer efato khona utakuthenga khona. We also have physiotherapy lekhona la kunama facilities Betfu. Ama customer angeta alethe uma kwakho noma ngogo wakho bethe khona la S011E12. It's one of the facilities that we have within the hotel. We also have implemented Emma self-catering. We had a lot of customers bacela Emma self-caterings, but they like coming here, so but the only thing they want is just to cook for themselves. Okay. So we've got 2 self-caterings la khona lapha ekhaya bamfu bangeta ke bato tiphekela kudla kwabo.
All right, kulama self-catering, how big are they? Like, does it accommodate maybe a couple or a group or?
It's a family. You can't be a group because it's just two bedrooms.
Okay.
Yes, the one it's a double bed, and then the other room it has a single bed, 2 separate bathrooms.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, that's exciting.
Ngibingelele Maswati namahle, gama lami ngusithembile Buhle, sebenzela Tranquility Spa letholakala eSibane Sami Hotel. I-Tranquility Spa, it's a place lapho utakhona for relaxation, uphumule, senda massages, different kinds of massages. Sine Swedish full body massage, which is a medium pressure full body massage. Isita nodzinga kuphumula nje kungasiko obuhlungu zawo emtimbeni wakho. And then bese siba ne-aromatherapy where you use essential oils. Leyo ke it's very good nangabe buhambile on vacation. Bese uyeda for it ukuthi utophumula, because we use different kinds of oils. For example, lesisithi umtimba wakho unema stiffness, sisebenzisa bo anica oil. Bese ke nangabe ufuna kulala nje just for relaxation sisebenzise ilavender. Sibe nalenye i-massage yethu lesiyibita nge-hot stone full body massage. It's a full body massage. Bese sisebenzisa ematshe, which is hot stones lakashise according to body temperature. And then bese siba nabo back massage, basebenzela for back pain. Sende nema facials ethu, sibe nabo pedicure nabo manicure, sende ma full body scrubs. I-massage iyasita kakhulu ukuthi uyende, ngayibita ngokuthi health hazard. Balaleli isita ukuthi umtimba wakho uhlala uphumulile ngaso sonke isikhathi. It's also good ukuthi ungashawa ama-strokes, because as we massage, we detox, siyasusa konke lokungqula lokuba semtimbeni, because as sisebenza throughout the day siyaba ne-stress, sibe nema-tension. So when you come for a massage, so tekulapha lo mtimba, your body itself. So it preventa i-stroke, isita ne-relaxation, nekuthi nje ingqondo yakho ikhona ukufunctiona kahle after a massage. At Tranquility Spa, we also take Emma groups. People you can come as friends. We can take 5. As you see, my room is so big for 5 people. You can come nibeng 10, you can come nibeng 3. We do Emma groups. We also do bantwana labancane junior massages. We do massage them at a lower fee from the adults. And also Tranquility Spa, siba nema special every month. It's called a specialist nasonyalo. It's a full body massage, which you call it aromatherapy. It's a very good essential oils. You can come for that one. Bese siba ne pedicure. So please do come for a pedicure, right? And we also have a back massage, and then we do a full body scrub. I can advise Goguti as a person, a human being, maybe once a month you come for a massage. You don't do a massage then you say for the whole year. So regularly, like maybe once a month. Unless so prescribe you have to go for a massage because it's only massage kuba ne-tension la mtimbeni wakho bese sowukhanza ukuthi niye ukuthi udoshaya i-stroke udoshaya inini bese dokotela uprescribe ukuthi ndi massage every after 2 weeks. So I would advise balaleli ukuthi you do a massage maybe once a month. If you want to have a massage at Tranquility Spa, we have a number which you call 620-6510. But we also do accommodate labo labathi I'm just passing by, let me just go check can I have a massage. We do take walk-ins. Singemaswati sinale mentality ukuthi massage is for bantu laba maybe labanemali, bantu labamhlophe. I-massage is for everyone. Njengoba ngishito ukuthi we take from bantwana labancane from 5 years upwards. So everyone welcome ukuthi end massage. Ngawa advisor nje bantu bakithi ukuthi i-massage it's for everyone. Everyone can do a massage. Siphume la micondweni ukuthi na wendi massage maybe inve waste imali. Njengoba bengishito ukuthi it's a health hazard into lokufanele ubudgetele every month. Ngiyanikhuthata ukuthi selisebenzile because you work every day 365 days a year. Thatha isikhathi sakho ute massage. Give your body a healing.
So when people want to do their bookings, let's say maybe of Lama venue for conferencing or just booking rooms or maybe Buhle restaurant, how do people do their bookings normally here? Your reservations, details, email, contact details, and also your social media handles. Are you present on social media and how do people find you?
Okay, we do have an Instagram page and a Facebook page. We are Sibana Sami Hotel on Facebook and Instagram. And then for bookings, they can book on this email. It's reservations at sibanasamihotel.co.nz. Our cell phone number is 240-0416-1670. And then our cell number is 7602-4430.
All right, that's exciting. All right, lastly, what can you say to the viewers? I want you to look at the camera and talk to the viewers. Tell them about Sibane. Invite them to the place. That's the last one that you're doing to them.
Okay. Maswati lamashe siyacela ukuthi nisivakashele eSibane Sami Hotel. Sinetimpo letiningi lesithatha kahle ukuthi ningathi enjoy lapha ekhaya. So we have a spa lapho bangakhona kuniketa i-massage nangabe utsiniwe nje udibuyele emsebenzini sikhona spa sephu. We have a bar where you can just relax and unwind, and sit lapha ku balcony yephu ubuke nje tintaba ucabange while usanatha ama-cocktails ephula mnanzi kakhulu. Nebamphana ke ungabaletha futhi utihlalele khona la esihleli khona to enjoy yourself. Phindze badlale ngale kule kids khona yephu kuningi nje longakenjeya la Sibane Sami. Siyacela Maswati lamahle nichubeke intendo supporta lapha eSibane Sami Hotel.
Ngiyethemba ke mbukeli wabuhle bethu ukuthokozele konke lebe sikulethele kona ehlelweni lanamuhla sisese la eSibane Sami Hotel. Utawuchubeka usilandzelele on our YouTube channel, that is Eswatini TV YouTube channel, to follow through on the program Buhle bethu. And also you can follow me on my personal handle on Facebook, Neliswa WM Makanya with a blue tick. Until next week when we bring you more exciting places. Goodbye.